Hello, everyone. Hello. There we go. Yesterday, I uploaded a video at Internet Education 101 YouTube channel by Amazon affiliates. The end is near. I speak about Amazon affiliate links going away. I feel they will be in the future. However, I'm still going to use Amazon, but limited. And I'm using Amazon links that I can easily change in the near future. I'm pivoting. I will include the link to that video in the description below so you can understand the build up to this video. I'm going to show you something. I use a plugin, Ad Inserter Pro. I changed it. YouTube video, coffee percolator. I'm embedding the code to a video I uploaded today. Was this it? Yep. I took the embedded code from this video. I inserted it into the Ad Inserter Pro block. And I want that video. Oh, now my mouse is dying. I can't win here. I want it to show on my static pages on the top. I want to utilize any real estate space I have created over the years. And people will click on this and view the video. This is a $16. And they can open it up to watch it on YouTube and on a larger screen. That's the whole point. And Coffee Percolator, buy now. I have that active. And when it opens up, let me go here. I'm using this link that's available on Amazon. However, I am limiting myself, and I'm making it easier for the future to change this ad immediately. Like within 5-10 minutes, I could change these ads. I'm going to talk about that in a moment. Because I have 4 paragraphs here. Above paragraph 1, above paragraph 2, above paragraph, here, I'll show you. See paragraph 2, I had paper towel products, but it's already going obsolete, those ads that I had in this area. So, let me go here. Why share this with you? I have this one web page. I own the blockchain domain of bountytowels.crypto, and I put together this web page. It has substance. I did research. It's my own content, my own pizzazz. I used images. I have buy now buttons. That's led to Amazon. However, I believe in the future, a company like this, they're already selling their product directly on their website. They're going to rid the middleman in the future. Maybe it won't happen for another 5 years, but I need to know that I can easily join an affiliate program, already have my foundation set up, where when I apply, a company is going to go, yeah, yes, join our affiliate program. And they want the potential customer to buy from them directly instead of Amazon. I believe that's going to happen in the future. So, I'm sorry, let me go here. When the time comes, I can easily change these links. I plan on becoming a Bounty affiliate in the future. Maybe not tomorrow, but in the future. I'm creating work that is easy to adjust, edit, so I can pivot when I need to pivot when it changes. Because I feel eventually, when I hit my mid-60s, this is going to be a regular thing. People are going to go to the website that they want, and they're going to buy the product directly from the company. But they don't have an affiliate program yet. But I look forward to the future of them having an affiliate program. Same thing with this. That video, I give this a shout out, chock full of nuts. It's really chock full o' nuts. And eventually, they will have an affiliate program. I won't have to grab the links from Amazon. So that's my plan. You see how I set everything up to easily edit, adjust, pivot in the future. So I'm just not going to, I'm going to limit my use with Amazon affiliate links. Use it while it's available. It does work, it does help. And I thought I would share that with you. I'll include the link in the description below to my other video. And this should help people find my videos too. I'm utilizing my own real estate space. It's right on top. Those videos are going to get views, and it's leading visitors to a YouTube platform that's monetized. As long as I continue to earn a little more money every day, I'm good. So I'll see you in the next video clip. Have a good one. Bye, everybody.